Hi, this is Kevin Stuff from Concentrus. I want to show how to build a component asset. When you're trying to create a component asset, you would also need to create or add the components. I'll go over the requirement and the must-have of component asset and to add components to compound asset. So if you navigate to fixed asset, list, build compound asset, you would need to enter name and asset type and method, depreciation method, and also you would need subsidiary, and then the asset cost, and then the current cost. And you can add the existing components I meant from this list, but they must have same asset type. You will also need same subsidiary to be the same. And also the accounting method has to be the same. If these are not the same, if it's the subsidiary set or the accounting method or asset type is different, then it will not be added to the component. So it is very important to add asset type. The type, accounting method, and subsidiary needs to be the same at the component level. That's the only way that you will be able to build a compound asset. Thank you for watching the video, and please reach out to us if you have any further question about this video. Thank you.